and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this.
This is how it comes at box. As you can see, it is really well packaged. It has these little board panels that actually protect it, and it is all one piece. So there is no installation required. You just open it and then you can easily close it as well. So as you can see, the Rattan screening on this is all handmade, and the holes, so as you can see, this is about how big the holes are. It allows light to come in, so if you do use this to divide a room, it's not going to be too dark. It does allow light to come through. So it covers up to 70%, which is awesome. So it gives you a little bit of privacy, still, like I said, see-through to allow that light to come in. You can see light coming through. Just like that, but very nice. I will definitely be keeping this piece. I'll probably end up using it, honestly, behind a bed, because I think that's just going to look absolutely stunning. Like if you have a couch, a room that's too big, or if you have like two beds beside each other and you just want to kind of separate one, if your kids share a room, I think this would be great for that. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I want to show you how easy it is to fold up too. So you can see the way that these hardware is on it. On the side, it allows it to fold up. So great if you just want to store it. It's not going to take up a lot of space. And just super cute. So for size reference, I'm 5'4", and this is about how tall it is. The bottom of this has some really beautiful wood finish. It's like a really dark wood. I love the way this looks, super boho. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.